Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to withdraw BNB from your Tangem wallet and send it straight to your Revolut account in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to cash out or move your funds seamlessly, this guide is for you. BNB, or Binance Coin, is a popular cryptocurrency, and Tangem Wallet is a secure hardware wallet that keeps your assets safe. Revolut, on the other hand, is a handy app for banking and crypto management. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Tangem Wallet app installed on your device and your BNB funds ready. Open the app and unlock your wallet using your PIN or biometric authentication. Once you're in, navigate to your BNB assets. You'll see your balance. Double check that it's the correct amount you want to withdraw. Next, head over to your Revolut app. Go to the crypto section and select BNB. Here, you'll need to generate or copy your Revolut wallet address for BNB deposits. This is crucial, so don't skip this step. Copy that address carefully to avoid any errors. Now, back in the Tangem Wallet app, select the Withdraw or Send option for your BNB. Paste the Revolut address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but remember to account for any network fees. BNB typically uses the BNB Smart Chain, so fees might be low, but they can vary. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and the fees. This is your money, so stay secure. Once you're good, confirm the transaction. You'll get a prompt to verify with your wallet's security features. After that, sit tight. Blockchain transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's confirmed, check your Revolut app to see your BNB arrive. And just like that, you've successfully withdrawn your funds. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication and keep your devices secure to prevent hacks. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.